they will be punished in a manner consistent with the severity of their transgression.
Mother, I cannot stress enough the severity.
We're spared God's severity.
Appreciated the severity of it until
In order to ascertain the severity of the threat,
Just the viciousness, the
Severity
severity.
of my transgressions, I beg you
Leniency
to...
to those who confess, severity to those who resist.
To aid Mr. Potter, they will be punished in a manner consistent with the severity of their transgression. Furthermore, any person...
Mother, I cannot stress enough the severity of the commander's predicament.
Recyclable!
Abandon ourselves to fornication. We were spared God's severity.
say no more, I beg you, and cease from and delusions.
I was all of those.
But you never appreciated the severity of it until now.
Of course not. How could I be? I was paranoid, fearful.
the Roman Federation has launched several small military attacks in order to ascertain the severity of the threat, but these have all ended in failure.
The only thought I have, we've been looking at all this graphic footage, and just the viciousness, the severity
Stand by,
of
Master Control. We're going to come to a break here.
We're going to commercial, then cut.
Too lenient, Father. In light of the severity of my transgressions, I beg you to extend it to a week.
God does not appreciate pride.
Now read that aloud.
Leniency to those who confess, severity to those who resist, redemption to those who gain merits.